Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great. You are amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your general reading for the month of July 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, so you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius for the month of July 2021. Before starting your reading, I want to give you some messages which I was getting for you while doing the meditation. And that messages was that maybe a lot of you can see rainbows, okay, these days. Lot of rainbow or number synchronicities of 1111, okay, that can be a possibility. Or some of you Aquarius are moving, changing the places, changing the home, or changing the job. And some of you Aquarius are getting pregnant, okay, that can be a possibility. So these were the messages which I was getting while doing the meditation for you, okay. And there is beautiful message of love, okay, which I got for you. So love is coming for you in the month of July. Because this is the general reading, I'm not going to do your love reading, but I'm going to give you this message that love is coming for you in the month of July, okay. There are a lot of blessings which are coming for you Aquarius in the month of July. Okay, so now let's start your reading. And there is a lot of celebrations which are going to happen here, okay. Lot of celebration is here. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages, and let's see what is the beautiful messages from the universe for you. New beginnings are coming for you and celebrations are coming for you. That is the message which I was getting also while doing the meditation. So let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the best messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver for the month of July 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to Aquarius. See, I told you love. Love is coming for you Aquarius in the month of July. Definitely. Can you see there is two fishes here? And maybe some of you are dealing with the twin flame, or if you are dealing with the soulmate, so you're going to get reunited with them. Yeah, that is your wish fulfillment. Some kind of wish fulfillment is going to come true for you Aquarius. If you're wishing for someone in love, they are going to come in July, okay. You both are going to get reunited, okay. That's beautiful message. Beautiful. Good times, enjoy your good times, okay. Good times are going to happen in your life now. Good times are coming here. That is written in your destiny. Your destiny is going to, your destiny is coming for you Aquarius in the month of July, okay. That is written in your destiny. Lot of you can see the number synchronicities of 222. That can be a possibility here, okay. Because you are beautiful, and that's the message from the heaven. Bottom of the deck I'm having heaven, okay. They are beautiful messages, blessings which are coming for you Aquarius. And you are beautiful right now, inside and outside, okay. So that's beautiful message, okay. No. They're saying no. Okay, please give me one more message. Wisdom. Yes, this was also a message which I was getting here. Okay, keep your courage Aquarius. Don't lose hope. Don't lose courage. Keep your courage and hope with you, and keep moving in a forward direction, okay. You have a lot of wisdom, lot of knowledge to share. So share your voice, share your knowledge, with the world. Okay, we need you, Aquarius. We need your knowledge. We need you, basically. Share your light, share your love, share your knowledge. That's very beautiful message, because you have lot of wisdom to share. Okay, so sharing is caring. Okay, share your knowledge. That's the message I'm getting here. Okay, there is something which is written in your destiny. This wish fulfillment, you are wishing for something. Okay, your wish fulfillment is going to come true in the month of July. The love is coming for you, Aquarius. The good times are coming for you. There is something which is written in your destiny. Okay, and your destiny is coming for you in the month of July. That's beautiful, I can say that. Okay, let's see what is the message from the star seed. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me the message for Aquarius. What is the message I need to deliver? What is the message? Wow, Earth. This says learning how to be human in the world but not of it. Okay, so many of you are the star seeds here. You are here on this planet Earth to spread your light, to spread your love, peace, happiness here. Okay, you are here to learn the lessons for the soul growth, for the soul evolution, and you're learning how to be human, basically. Earth is a school for you to be in. Many Aquarius, for you Earth is a school. Okay, see, that's what I was saying just right now. Earth is a school. Thank you. Sometimes I love it when the universe, I get connected with the universe, and universe also give me replies like this. Earth is a school for you. You are here for the life lessons, soul growth, study, and higher learning. You are learning how to be human. Okay, you are, maybe some of you think that you do not belong from here on this planet Earth. Even I'm feeling like crying right now. I don't know, maybe you sometimes you feel like crying, you feel emotions. Okay, because no one understands you. Sometimes it happens. Being an Aquarius, I know very well, and being in star seed and light workers, we miss our home. Okay, so Earth is a school for you, Aquarius, and that's what I was telling you. You are the golden children of the divine, inner child, tenderness, innocence, and rare gifts. Okay, so you are the golden children of the divine. You have inner gifts. You are unique. You are special, Aquarius. Okay, enjoy your inner child, enjoy your innocence. Okay, you are the innocent one. You have the rare gifts. That's beautiful message here. You are learning how to be human, basically. Okay, the weight of the world, boundaries, let it go. It's not yours to carry. Okay, many of you are many of you are carrying the weight of the world. Okay, maybe you are working a lot, maybe you are doing you are taking the responsibilities a lot, you are taking the burdens on your shoulders. Okay, so let it go, Aquarius, let it go. Create healthy boundaries. That was also a message which I was getting while doing the meditation. Okay, create healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, you do not need to carry the burdens of the world on your own shoulder. Okay, let it go. It's not yours to carry. Okay, relax. You are just here on the earth to learn lesson for the soul growth, for spreading light. Okay, cracked open rock bottom, surrender to the acme of life. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having you are not for everyone. Okay, Aquarius, you are unique. There is a cracked open here. You need to surrender to the divine. That's the message I'm getting here. And there is embrace your weirdness, face your truth. Not, you are not for everyone. Okay, you are not for everyone, Aquarius. You are unique. Okay, I always tell my Aquarius who is watching me from the day one, they know that I always say you are the magic beings. Okay, the magical beings. You are the star. You give new hopes, new desire to other people. Okay, so you are unique. Embrace your weirdness. You have rare gifts. You are the star seeds. You are the light workers. You are not for everyone. You are the special one. So embrace your weirdness. That's beautiful message I'm having here for you. Let me read it out for this. The cracked open. I need to read it out. Okay, don't let the weight and destiny of the world squash your tender spirit. Instead, let it call even more of it home into your body. At the center front of your life, it's through extreme pressure of life trails that diamond are cultivated. It's when time are their darkest that we cultivate proper faith and our light is ignited. It's through crumbling that we can allow our wounds to be healed. Let your pain, sorrow, and loss make you, not break you. Okay, be open to be cracked open, wide open. It's the difficult times that help us grow in leap and bounds, and in ways we could only dream were possible. But first, they have to crack us open. Sometimes it hurts like hell. It's nature way. Whether you let it happen or not, it's going to happen. So surrender to the process. It's how the light gets in. This is beautiful message. I can say that maybe some of you are going through with some kind of pain, hurt, but you know what, once you go through this process of hurt, every time you become much stronger, you learn something. There is a soul evolution. 1111 is the recording reading time. So it's beautiful. You just need to surrender yourself to the divine. Thank you for the beautiful message. See, you are the keepers of the earth and you are not alone. They are ancient ancestors, universe, ancient, ancient ancestors stand beside you. The divine, the animals, the universe, everyone is with you, Aquarius. Don't think that you are alone. No, you are not. Share your voice. I told you, you have a lot of wisdom to, you are having a lot of wisdom to share. Okay, so share your voice. We need you, Aquarius. Let's see, what is the message? Thank you for giving the message. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. Warrior woman, have you answered your deepest calling? So there is a calling which is which is happening here, Aquarius, for you. Okay, there is a soul calling which is calling you. Basically, you are the warrior woman. Have you answered your soul calling? That's the message I'm having here. Any other message for Aquarius? See, I told you. Star seeds. Many of you are the star seeds. What lights you up? You have to answer your deepest calling. There is a calling which is happening for you. You listen to your soul calling here, and you are the soul, you are the star seeds. Okay, so that's beautiful here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having unbound, releasing soul pattern, contracts, and past lives. So many of you are releasing the past life contracts or this lifetime contracts. You are releasing soul patterns. Okay, so that's beautiful. That's why you're going through a transformation period. Okay, any other message? Deep replenishment, retreat, rest, and behold. And can you see in this deck also, I'm having nourishment, body care, tenderness, and rest. Right now you have to take care of your body. Okay, rest and rejuvenate yourself, Aquarius. Spend some time in nature. If you want to take bath, take bath. Okay, spend some time in nature. Take care of your body, take care of your soul. Okay, take care of yourself. Basically, you have to be taking care of your rest. Why I'm saying that? Right now you have to take rest more and more, because right now awakening is going through for you. There is energetic upgrades which are happening for you. A new way of being, integration, energetic upgrades are happening. That is definitely happening for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is awakening which is going on for you. Energetic upgrades are going on. Okay, answer the call. Your soul is, what is your soul calling you to do? There is something which your soul is trying to call you. You have to answer your deepest calling, Aquarius. There is a soul calling. You have to answer that. Answer your soul calling. You are the warrior woman. There is a calling which is happening for you, Aquarius. What is your soul calling you to do? Basically 1441 is the recording reading time. Okay, so there is soul calling which is happening for you, Aquarius. You need to answer that. That is beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see. See, I told you, maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days. Okay, maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days, and the messages are blessings are showering your life. You are exactly where you need to be. Okay, unknown territory, you are exactly where you need to be. 1515 is the recording reading time. Now let's see, what is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. What is the message? Wants to come out. View from above, get the big picture, see the picture from a higher perspective. Why this is happening with you? Because you are going through with some kind of energetic upgrades, you are going through with some kind of awakening. Okay, you carrying on the weight of the world. Okay, let go anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, it's not yours to carry on, and you are unique, you are not for everyone. There is a soul calling which is happening for you, Aquarius. You have to answer your soul calling. You are the star seed here. You are here on this planet Earth to learn the lessons, to learn the life lessons for your soul growth, for spreading light, love, peace, to raise the frequency, the vibrations of Mother Earth. So learn that. See again, this is the message here. Blessings are showering your life. Let's see. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver? What is the message? Any other message for Aquarius? Wow. Wow. See, the message is reflect and redirect your energy. You have to choose your path. All is possible, okay? All is possible. You have to choose your path. Reflect and redirect your energy. Okay? Answer your calling. Again, the same message is here. The time is now. That's very important message. Answer the call. Answer the call, Aquarius. Answer the call. There is answer the call. That's very important message. There is a calling which is happening for you. So answer the call. You stand in the light of truth. Discovering truth. You're discovering the truth and you stand in the light of truth. Follow your bliss. Okay, navigating by the stars, because you are the star seed. So you are being navigated by the stars. You have to follow your bliss. There is trust. There is a divine plan. Okay, there is a divine plan for you, Aquarius. Okay, whatever you are going through, whatever you are choosing here, okay, whatever path you are choosing, you have to choose your path. Okay, trust that there is a divine plan. Everything is happening according to the divine plan. That's beautiful. And answer the call. That's very important message here. Let me add one message from the unicorns. Please give me one message. One message for Aquarius. Moving. I told you, many of you are going to change your home. Okay, you're moving from one place to another. Some of you are traveling. That is for sure. Okay, if you're not moving, so then there will be a change which is happening for you. So be prepared to move either physically or spiritually. Okay, so moving is happening for you, Aquarius. Okay, that's beautiful message here. Let me see. Thank you for giving the messages, unicorns. Let me see what is the message from the Scared Destiny. What is the message for Aquarius, July 2021? Lot of message. Wow. I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to show you definitely. See, I told you love is there for you here. Love is coming for you, Aquarius, definitely in the month of July. Okay. Maybe for some of you, this is your divine counterpart, your twin flame, your soulmate. Okay. And community is working with you. Can you see how beautiful this card is? You are not alone. You can see a lot of butterflies. There is rainbow. Okay, this is beautiful message. And have solitude here. And two more messages which fallen out here. was focus and purity. See again, wisdom. Wisdom is here again. You have a lot of wisdom to share, Aquarius. Share your wisdom. Use your wisdom here, Aquarius. Okay. Wisdom is here. That's beautiful. Purity. You are the pure soul. Use your purity, Aquarius. And there is focus. So shift your focus. Just go with the flow, Aquarius. That's the message I'm getting here for you. And that's beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the colors. What is the message for Aquarius? One message. Azure, protect yourself. Okay, you need to protect yourself, Aquarius. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself. You are not for everyone. Okay, let me see. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what is the message from Scared Creators Oracle. What is the message for Aquarius? The now. Okay, you are epic. You are epic, Aquarius. 2112 is the recording reading time. Beautiful message. Okay, the time is now. Answer the calling, the now. Okay, the time is now, the now. Okay, the answer your call. That's very important message here. And you are epic, Aquarius. You are unique. This is beautiful message. Thank you. Let me add one message from Fortune Cookies. Please give me one message. Burnout. Your hard work will see result, but your health needs to be maintained. So check in with your doctor, dentist and health professional and try to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so try not to work so hard that, Aquarius, you will go through some kind of burnout. That's why the message was that you have to take care of yourself, rest and rejuvenate your batteries, your energies, because you are working so hard right now continuously maybe. So you have to take care of yourself. Okay, don't go through burnout. What is the message? The Scared Lotus. Compassion in action, the chosen tool. I see now the lotus in your spirit's jewel. This is beautiful message from the divine doors. Thank you. Now let me see one message from the star seed for Aquarius, July 2021. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Vibration and bottom of the deck, celebration. Okay, I told you, celebration. Celebrate your achievement. You're truly a gift to a universe. You are truly a gift to universe. Celebrate, Aquarius. Okay, celebrate your achievements. Vibration. Your vibration is being raised to higher levels. Now you are connected to the cosmic intelligence. Okay, now you can connect yourself to the 5D level. So your vibration is being raised here. That's beautiful message here. Okay, your vibration is being raised. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the Sweet Dreams. Surrender. I surrender the old limiting beliefs. I awaken and I am reborn into limitless possibilities. All is possible. That was the message I was getting for you. All is possible. That is what it is. You need to surrender yourself to the divine. Everything is happening according to the divine plan. So why to worry, Aquarius? So that's beautiful. Let me add one message from the fairies. One message for Aquarius, July 2021. Too many messages, no. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the message for Aquarius? Be yourself. This situation calls for you to be your authentic self, which is the basics for your personal power. Be yourself, Aquarius. Okay, you need to be yourself. You are epic. Be yourself here. And let's see what is the message from the tea leaf. Okay. Owl. Okay, so there is mountain. You are going to overcome major challenges in your life. Major challenges in your life are going to be overcome here. Then there is owl. Good advice from a wise person here. Then there is bear, danger especially in money matters. Okay, so 2525 is the recording reading time. Take care of your financial money matters. Okay, there is a danger here. Then there is ladder, climbing towards success. Climbing towards success here. And there is broken wishbone, wish will not be granted, but I don't think so it will apply for you, Aquarius, because your wish is going to be granted for sure. So I don't think so this is being applied on you, so I'm going to take it back. Okay, so that was your reading, and I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, Aquarius, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, healing and happiness to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. Take care and see you soon.